Ay, Bruce, be careful. Be careful. Pag excited siya, nag-aano yan eh. Biglang...
Oh, cute.
Yes, love. Tagalog, what did he say? What Tagalog did he say? Hindi na matandaan. This is video, anak.
I like your hair, darling. Thank you.
Bruce, you like him? You like Cody? Yes, it's a baby. Ano po yan? Oh, Cody, okay. Bruce, you like Cody?
Hey, man.
He's like, I'm sleepy, don't talk to me. Oh, Brucey, you like a little baby brother?
Oh my God.
Sabi niya,
Don't.
Sige,
Don't
hindi
let
mo
grandma
nagkukwento
know.
yan, dali. I know.
You like baby? Hi, baby.
Be careful, Brucey.
Hi, baby. You like that?
Ah, hindi pa, kunwari, sa ibang baby, pero silang dalawa ng kuya niya nag-aaway lagi.
Hindi ito. Ay, yung kuya niya ang laging simula.
Brucey, be careful. Yes, be careful. Kuya, Brucey, be careful. See? Look at him. See? Go over there. Go over there. Wait, love, wait.